how to log in to mail.ru account. So if you want to log in to mail.ru account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for mail.ru, and after searching it will directly take you to the web page. Now if you want to change this language, then you can go to the upper right corner which says Google Translate. You can simply click on that and then you can choose your language. And after choosing your language, you can go to come in, which is here, or you can also go to the upper right corner which says to come in. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create a mail.ru account, then you can go to create mail and you can create your account. But to log in, you can simply go to come in. So now to sign in, first you have to enter your account name, and after entering that you can here go to the drop down bar and then you can choose, and then you can select all of these. And after that, and after entering your account name, you have to click on enter password. And to enter your password, first you have to enter your account name, and after entering your account name you can click on enter password and then you have to enter your password. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to create account and you can create your account. So to create, you have to enter your first and last name and then your date of birth and then your gender and your mailbox name and your password. You have to create these and then you have to enter your phone number and you have to click on create to create your account. But to log in, you can simply go to the login page and then you can enter your account name and then your password, and after that you can simply click on sign in, and that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your mail.ru account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.